everyone. We are here at a Global Payments event. We are discussing with Rado. Hello.
Hello.
Welcome, Rado.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure. I will ask you to remember a bit, when did you start thinking at SoftPOS as an alternative to the standard POS terminal?
Yeah, okay, so we knew in the past that like the common payment terminals are not ready or not able somehow for some reasons to serve all the merchants. So we were observing the way how to like find a solution to fix this and to like provide the payments really to any merchant on the market. So it was like around 3 years ago when we started to observe it, and we decided that we will go in and we will try to like put this technology on the market.
With what cost did you go on the road back then?
I need to say that like it was not easy way forward, because it was like really new technology. Because in the payment industry, it's always difficult if you are going with the new technologies like contactless in the past. So it needs some time to establish it, design it, prepare it, and then the adoption is really important for us. But thanks to the like contactless growth, we knew that we are on the right way, and that we will deliver it.
To introduce such kind of solution like SoftPOS, do you need a 50% acceptance of contactless? Or
I think that you need, it should be like above 90 maybe.
90?
90 maybe, because like if you will talk with the merchants, why they are accepting the cards, the reason is that they will cover all acceptance method with which the customers are asking for. So we really need to like serve as many customers as possible. So I think that it can be like 90 maybe. Like to be successful, it need to be high, because we see on the European market like our regions, Romania, Slovakia, Czech Republic, Poland, these countries are really great in adoption of new things. So in Romania, now the contactless acceptance is like awesome. So it helped us to launch the product last year on the market.
What represents SoftPOS as a solution?
Yeah, it's like, maybe to summarize it, it's an application, mobile application, which can make from any Android-based device with the Android 8 and higher and NFC reader, it can make the payment terminal. So you simply download the application, sign the contract with the acquirer, which is us, the Global Payments, and then you can immediately start accepting the cards. So you don't need any other device to accept the cards. Any
future plan for Apple?
Yeah, the Apple is pretty much complicated, because I think that you are aware that the Apple is like closed world, and it's pretty difficult, and Apple is not like so open as the Google is. But anyway, the Apple announced already that they will allow us to use the NFC in the iPhones and iPads. So we are now working on it, and we believe that very soon we will be able to bring to the market also the GPTOM version running on the iOS. That's our dream. Because we believe that we will cover also some merchants who are asking for it.
Very soon, meaning in the first quarter of the next year?
That's honestly, that's really difficult to answer, honestly, because like this process is, next year is more safe. And yeah, we would like to bring it during the summer. That's like our dream to deliver it. Yeah, and at the latest till the end of next year, hopefully we will be there.
Rado, how GPTOM is changing the market?
It's in many ways, it's not changing just the market and just the merchants, but it's changing us as well, because like you need to like apply the different approach than with the common payment terminals, because with the common payment terminals it's like too slow. Plenty of processes to like make the device up and running and accepting the cards. In case of this, you just simply download the application, launch it, and you can accept it. So it takes, instead of days, it takes minutes. So that's the first difference. Second one is that In the past, with the common payment terminals, you have like 3 options of devices, and you can pick some, but they are almost the same. With the GPTOM and the SoftPOS technology, you can pick from, I think that Google is writing that you can choose from the 3,000 like mobile devices where you can put our solution GPTOM and accept the cards. So it's like adopting the needs of the merchants per the segment. That's also, these segments are really important because like when we were thinking about the SoftPOS, we didn't expect that we can cover all merchants. That was the dream, but we were not pretty sure. So we were focusing on the delivery segments, seasonal sale, micro merchant, and so on. But now we have like over 220 merchant categories who are using the SoftPOS. And
which is the most exotic one.
Yes. So like masseurs, golf trainees, like the coaches, doctors are using it. We have the artists in the portfolio. We have the company which is delivering the cars to the customers. So they can, after the delivering of the car, they can pay for the delivery as well. So like really, plumbers, we are always, plumbers, I don't know, any like free roles are here. We are really happy that we see that it's like the taxi drivers, which is common. We have the great feature for them that if they are driving for like the huge chain taxi companies, so they can drive for them all the day, and at the end of the day, they just use the different account on the same device, but the revenues are going to their account, so they can combine the going for some company or going private. So that's the feature which we have as well. And for us, it's really important to stay in touch. I can say that even in Romania, in other countries, when we launch the solution, we know like maybe first 50 merchants in person because we visited them, we spent the time with them to see how the customers are like giving them the feedback on the solution. We have some funny stories that some customers just went there because they heard that you can pay on the mobile phone by card. So they wanted to try it. So a lot of stories. We are closely with them till these days, still in touch. And we are trying to adapt the request from the merchants and put them in the GPTOM. So like very soon we will present the GPTOM Plus, which includes the cash register inside, like the small catalog where you can create the items, you can manage the orders. Then we will launch the loyalty solution as well, so you can create, even if you are micro merchant, you can create the loyalty program, completely built in, easy to operate.
So no need for loyalty cards.
Yes, exactly. That's good point. Thank you for that. You don't need to issue any loyalty cards. The customers are using just the bank cards itself.
You anticipate a bit the next question. I want to stay for a while on the adoption side. As a journalist, I have to ask you to give me some figures,
okay.
Including Romania.
So in Romania at the moment, we have like 4,000 merchants. In total, in all countries, we have in total almost 8,000 merchants. And in 4 countries.
4.
And at the moment, we have 17,000 devices which are up and running. It's really interesting that the merchants are really picking any device. So we have like 600 device models which they use. And it's over 55 manufacturers. So if you will compare it with the old-fashioned payment devices where you have like these, how to say, dinosaurs, which are on the market everywhere where you go around Europe, it's really various usage of the solution. And we are really proud that customer can choose on which device they will accept the payments.
Where do you see the market in the next, 5 years?
That's
again as adoption.
Yes, honestly, I didn't say it or mention it, but when we started, we decided that we will develop it completely in-house. And the reason, one of the reason is that we strongly believe that there will be like huge increase of usage of this technology. Because now, as you can pick any device, it can be like huge cash register, it can be small mobile phone. It will allow the merchants to really use it everywhere. So I think that in following 2 years at least, we will like double the numbers. And I think it will be difficult time for the common POS devices for following years to survive.
Are you killing the POS terminals as we know it?
We show it on the presentation that we are not for now. For now, but definitely yes. Yes. We expect that it will happen in some period of time, and but still we are.
Less than 10 years probably.
If I will bet, it will be sooner.
Okay.
You can see like as the like smart POSes with the Android when they came to the market, so they are really quickly replacing the like the old-fashioned ones. So I think that this will happen with the SoftPOS technology as well, because like you can put the SoftPOS into the device which has the printer, which has the scanner, so it's same as the POS, but much cheaper, much simpler. So I think that there is like rising future for the SoftPOS, definitely.
What's next for you? Future plans, futures for GP Tom?
Yeah, like for me, it's important to hear the customers because they know the best what is needed. So we would like to continue with that. We will definitely expand to other markets next year, definitely. And we will try to help, because we have the masser in Czech Republic who is blind and is using the GP Tom, even that it's touch device, mobile phone. So we would like to go into these edges and find the use cases for our merchants. That's for us really important, and that's the cornerstone of the solution. So now we will try to succeed in all segments. That's our idea.
Rado, it was a pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
And good luck.
For me as well. Thank you.
Thank you.